For data science freelancers, there are many tools available that can help them in various tasks, such as data exploration, cleaning, modeling, and visualization. Here are 4 popular data science tools that freelancers can use. 1. Python. Python is a popular programming language that is widely used in data science. It has many libraries, such as pandas, NumPy, SciPy, and scikit-learn, that can help freelancers in data analysis, machine learning, and data visualization. 2. R. R is another programming language that is commonly used in data science. It has several packages, such as ggplot2, dplyr, and plyr, that can help freelancers in data cleaning, visualization, and statistical modeling. 3. Tableau. Tableau is a data visualization tool that allows freelancers to create interactive dashboards and visualizations. It has drag-and-drop functionality, and it can connect to various data sources, such as Excel, CSV files, and databases. 4. Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is an open-source web application that allows freelancers to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. It supports various programming languages, such as Python and R. At the end, the pitch for the channel could be something like: if you're a freelancer in data science, you know how many tools are out there that can help you with your work. However, finding the right tools and learning how to use them effectively can be time-consuming and overwhelming. At our channel, we offer you tips, tutorials, and reviews of the latest data science tools that can help you save time and improve your productivity. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned professional, our channel can be your go-to resource for all things related to data science. Subscribe to our channel now and never miss an episode.